tablespoons cooking oil. 1 onion finely chopped. Cook on medium flame until translucent. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Cook for 1 minute. 1/3 cup finely chopped carrot. 1/4 cup finely chopped capsicum. 1/2 cup boiled peas. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 cup red chili flakes. Cook for 2 minutes. 1/2 kg boiled potatoes mashed. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. 1 green chili chopped. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves. Apply slurry. Cook on medium to low flame until crispy.